Why is it so important for people to be prepared for taxes year round as opposed to that month or two right before they file?
I am so glad you asked that question because here's the crux of the matter. Most people look at taxes during tax season, January through April, where we are filling out the forms. That's really compliance season. They really need to look at their taxes all year long. And summer is a great time to do it because you don't really have any major tax deadlines. It's when you're going to have at least 6 months worth of your income, 6 months worth of your expenses. And this is where you can stop, look at where you've been, and then formulate a plan to move forward. It's an opportunity to course correct. It's an opportunity to lay down goals. It's an opportunity to try to learn one or two new things about the tax law and apply it, and then see how those laws apply to you.